Welcome to Mansfield's Daylilies and Gardening with Daylilies and More. Today we are going to demonstrate how to divide a fairly good clump of daylilies. Right here in front of you is a little daylily that I've enjoyed. I have no idea what the name of it is, but it has definitely gotten into a nice big clump, and I want to divide it and spread it around because I do like it. It's a great rebloomer. So I'm going to use my fork, and I'm going to go down right beside the clump pretty good and lift like so. I'll go on this side. I'll do the same thing. And lift. There we go. I'll come around behind it. And give it another fork and a lift. Oh boy, it's already starting to come apart. I've got that fork up under it, and I'm just kind of shaking and loosening it up a little bit. And get down here and just grab it. Shake off some of that dirt. Here's some of it that came off over there on the side. That's a nice little clump ready to go somewhere else. Alright, I'm going to move it down a little closer. Look at that root ball. You see I've got a knife there. So I'm going to take this knife and go right up here in this center. And I'm going to cut down in there. There we go. And pull it apart. Isn't that easy? They're not always this easy, trust me. But you can beat them and pull them apart. I've got other little things growing in there along with the daylily. You could separate every one of these fans, but because I want to have a nice clump everywhere I plant it, and I am going to freely plant it around in the yard as a border. It blooms early, and then as you can see, it's a nice repeat bloomer. Today is October the 3rd, and it's reblooming again this late in the year. Of course, we're in eastern North Carolina. We're on the border of zone 8 and 7, and so our climate is a little more temperate than up north, and we do get to grow things longer. So this is a pretty nice clump right here. That's what I'm looking for. And it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3. Let's see how many more I can get. Just get your hands down there and literally just pull it apart. There's another one. Shake it. Loosen up that dirt. There's another piece. There's another piece that's come off. Now this is a little tighter here, so I'm going to go back to my knife. Go right up in that center and get it in there, and then just twist it. And I don't know if you could hear it pop, but it did. And there we go. That's where I cut it apart. So I've ended up with several nice clumps of this little daylily. Like I said, I'm going to spread it around in the yard tomorrow and get some of this beauty going in a lot of different places in the garden. Well, that's it for this edition of Mansfield's Daylilies and More. I hope you've enjoyed it on how to divide a daylily. Thank you for watching. Tune in again next Thursday. Bye now.